In this video, you'll learn how you can earn interest on your DAI stablecoin. If you've got DAI, you can keep on watching. If you still got Ethereum, I'd highly recommend you watch my last video where I explain how you can convert Ethereum to DAI first. I've got some DAI on my wallet, 395 DAI. I head over to the dApps in the Trust wallet and click on compound.finance app. I click on the right side of the screen, click on app to connect my wallet to the Trust wallet, and I'm greeted with the compound.finance screen. It shows me a lot of different collateral cryptocurrency assets that are available. However, for me, the only one that is worth supplying is the DAI cryptocurrency. So I click on collateral, I click on approve, goes through, so I added DAI as a collateral. Then a pop-up window appears where I have to confirm that I'm supplying DAI. I can click on enable. I can click on approve. This will continue as the transaction is broadcast. And I can supply some DAI to the compound.finance DAI liquidity pool. I'll add 395 DAI tokens to that liquidity pool. And I can click on supply to broadcast this transaction to the compound.finance protocol. I need to click on approve to confirm this transaction. It will cost me 45 cents. And that's how you can supply DAI onto the compound.finance decentralized app. It's very simple, very easy. Everyone can do it. So now I'm on the compound.finance interface. It went through, and as you can see here at the top, which is 8.82% at the moment, I've got the collateral balance, which is $394. The DAI has a different color since now it's a C token, which means I'm earning interest as long as I keep the C token on my wallet, the C DAI on my wallet. I'll be earning 8.82% interest. However, this is a floating interest rate. This might change based on the amount of liquidity available on the compound.finance app. And yeah, I think 8.82% is a fantastic return on investment per year, and it's compounded every 15 seconds. You will receive a little bit of interest, and you can see this amount on your app, and it's very fun to look at. So I hope you found this video interesting. I hope I also found it useful, and you'll be using it during the next bull run when the price of ETH and other cryptocurrencies shoot up and maybe even reach the moon or other planets and galaxies. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. So I'll catch you in the next video. Looking forward to that. See you soon. Bye bye.